Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a piece of tech that is an absolute game changer for aircraft mechanics and technicians. We're talking about the FADEC diagnostic interface. If you work on modern aircraft, especially those with piston or small turbine engines, you know exactly how critical this tool is. So, what exactly is FATIC? It stands for Full Authority Digital Engine Control. Think of it as the brain of the engine. It's a sophisticated computer that manages everything from fuel flow to ignition timing, optimizing performance and efficiency. But what happens when that brain has a problem? Or you just need to check its health? That's where a star player comes in. The FATIC diagnostic interface is the key that unlocks all the information stored inside that engine control unit. Imagine trying to figure out what's wrong with a complex engine without being able to speak its language. It would be a nightmare of guesswork, trial, and error. This tool eliminates all that. It connects directly to the FATIC system, giving technicians a clear, real-time window into the engine's soul. Let's break down what it can actually do. First and foremost, it reads fault codes. When something goes wrong, the FATIC logs a specific code. With this interface, you can pull that code instantly, telling you exactly where to start looking. No more hunting around for hours. The tool points. You write to the issue whether it's a faulty sensor, an ignition problem, or something else. Entirely, this drastically cuts down on diagnostic time and gets the aircraft back in the air faster and safer. But it's not just for troubleshooting. This interface is also an incredible tool for routine health checks and performance analysis. You can pull a massive amount of live sensor data. We're talking about critical parameters like exhaust gas temperature, cylinder head temperature, oil pressure, and RPMs. You can monitor these in real time, seeing how the engine behaves under different conditions. One of the most powerful features is the ability to review temperature limits. The FATIC is programmed with specific operational limits to protect the engine from damage. With the diagnostic tool, a technician can see if any of these limits have ever been exceeded. This is vital information, especially during a pre-buy inspection or after a reported performance issue. It gives you a historical record of the engine's operational stress. The interface also lets you look at throttle settings. You can see the exact position of the throttle butterfly as commanded by the pilot and as registered by the FATIC. This helps diagnose issues with throttle rigging or sensor calibration, ensuring the engine is responding precisely to pilot inputs. And of course, you'll get detailed information on the ignition status for each cylinder, helping to pinpoint misfires or weak spark issues with incredible accuracy. So, woo sisters. It is an essential tool for any A&P mechanic or maintenance shop that services aircraft equipped with electronic engine controls. We're seeing more and more of these systems in modern general aviation piston aircraft and in the small turbine market, like on light jets and turboprops. Having this diagnostic capability isn't just a luxury. It's becoming a necessity for providing top-tier service. In essence, the FADC diagnostic interface transforms engine maintenance from a reactive, sometimes frustrating process into a proactive, data-driven science. It empowers technicians with the information they need to make accurate diagnoses, perform preventative maintenance, and ultimately ensure the highest levels of safety and reliability for the aircraft. It is a perfect example of how digital technology is making aviation safer and more efficient for everyone. That's a quick look at this incredible piece of gear. What are your experiences with FATIC systems? Let me know down in the comments. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into aviation tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.